Alright guys, welcome back. We have another question in today's video, and we have 4 to the power of 52 times 25 to the power of 49, and we have to find this value. So we'll start what we can do. So we know 4 is 2 squared, and that would be to the power of 52, and we also know 25 is 5 squared to the power of 49. And we know if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, from the laws of exponent, this will be equal to a to the power of m times n. So we have the same scenario in here. We have m and n here and here too. So we'll have 2 to the power of 2 times 52. It's 104, and we have 2 times 49, 5 to the power of 98. So what's going to inspire us in here is that we're going to try to, if we do 104 minus 98, what we get is 6. So this can be 2 to the power of 6 plus 98 times 5 to the power of 98, and this is something that's going to ring a bell for us from another laws of exponent. If we have a to the power of m plus n, this will be equal to a to the m times a to the n. So we'll have 2 to the 6 times 2 to the 98. And now we can see in here that we have same exponent for 2 and 5, and if we have a to the power of m times b to the power of m, this will be equal to ab to the power of m. And we're going to use this one in here too, so we'll have 2 to the power of 6 times 2 times 5 to the power of 98, and we'll have 2 to the power of 6 times 2 times 5 is 10. So we have 2 to the 6 times 10 to the 98. So we know 2 to the power of 6 is 64, and we have 10 to the 98, and this will basically mean we have 10 times 10 times 10, and this will be 98 times. So basically we have 64, and we will have 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and all of this would be 98. And if I want to show it in with one decimal point, we have 6.4 times 10 to the power of 98, which this would give us the 64 that we have, and this will be 6.4 times 10 to the power of 99, and that would be the final answer for this question.